Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see some different features, some important features in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the accounting and from the ledger I will go to the add to favorite. So here you can see 20 records, that is whichever required for the business I have added to the favorite. Here you can see the Bank of Baroda, that is the company bank. So whichever ledgers you want to create, you can create from here and you can add to the favorite. So after that, in the opening balance, so here you can see to the Bank of Baroda I have added opening balance 50,000. Now in the accounting we can do the cash deposit, cash withdrawal, journal entry and my cash transaction. So for let's say business summary, you can check the dashboard. So here you can see cash is 25,284, bank is 51,250. Now I will go to the bank statement. So on today's date I will just refresh. So you can see the total opening balance is 51,250. And if I go to the accounting, and so let's go to the cash deposit. So I will select the, let's say, Bank of Baroda, and so let's say field collection, I will go to the loan collection list. So here you can see 17 loans, today's collection 0. Now let's suppose this customer member 1 is paying 5,000. So I will just receive by cash 5,000. Then you can see loan number 1 from member 1, still 1100 is due. Now customer is giving this 1100, so I will just receive. So total collection is 6100. So for let's say I will go to the business summary dashboard. So here you can see the cash is now 31,384. So from the accounting I will go to the cash deposit, and so today's collection I want to deposit to the bank. So I will just write the 6100 and the narration. Today's collection by cash, deposit to bank, and I will just save this. Now let's go to the business summary dashboard. So here you can see 57,350, and if I go and check the bank statement, I will just refresh. So here you can see deposited, today's collection 6100 deposited to the bank. And from the collection report, so daily collection, so you can just refresh. So here you can see total collection done is 6100, and you can see all the collection report from this collection report. Collection detail also you can see. I will go to the collection detail and refresh. So here you can see 6100, and you can click to this hyperlink and check the details transactions. So this type we can manage all the accounting part also in Jainam software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.